I'm shooting you in the face. Why are you not getting fucking hit? You fucking you cocksucker! What the fuck? The game is literally not giving me a time to breathe! What the fuck? What the fuck? No, you son of a butch motherfucking cocksucking, dick-sucking motherfucking dumbass jack piece of shit! Motherfucker! Come on! Like, come on! You had to hit him one time! Just one time! God damn! Do I fucking jump? I can't beat this fucking guy! I'm about to throw this controller. I'm seriously about to throw this goddamn motherfucking controller! Because how in the hell is this old ass seriously beating the shit out of me? Fuck! Fuck! Just get knocked out! I almost threw the controller. I wanna throw this goddamn controller! What? I spent like the first fucking 5 fucking minutes losing! No, please. No. Go the other way. Go the other way. You know what? Fucking forget it. Now we're gonna miss on the trick! Because your stupid dumbass decided to crash into a fucking pole. Come on. This is why I hate Jeffrey so much. And Cage is nothing but a joke to me! You need to relax, man. Fuck. Whoa! No! Oh my god, you bitch! Enough! Fuck!
Alright, getting hit by that. Alright. But can you parry this?
Shit! You fucking asshole! Why would you do that? Jordan!
Wait, why didn't you jump?
That was a bunch of shit! Oh my god! That was bullshit! That was bullshit!
I'm alright.
Okay, but when I play a 3D fighter, I'm having
Come
a
here!
much...
Yes! Yes!
I literally almost rage quit. I literally almost rage quit. But when I hit the shift and tab hotkey so that way I could force my way out of the game, the menus did not come up, and so I thought about it for like 2 seconds, and I was like, you know what? I'm not even gonna do that. This level is actually like frustrating. Not only because of the and the fucking ad was right there. Fuck, man. All I know is that I gotta get past this truck. Stop crashing into shit. I almost threw the controller. I literally almost threw my controller. I almost threw the goddamn troller. That's it. I'm done. That's it. I can't play this. Take this. Boom. What the fuck? Are you fucking kidding me? That killed me? What the fuck? Oh my god. Get me the fuck out of this menu. I have to try that again. Because I was literally about to have literally just a 1-bomb victory on that, but I fucked up because I was too fucking close to that fucking bomb, and then it fucking blew my fucking underwear off, and I don't give a fuck about how many fucking F-bombs I'm using because this is a fucking waste! Ah! Ah! I can't get. Oh my god, I was stuck. I was stuck. 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 Stuck.
Stop! 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 Oh! Stop! Stop! God!
Fuck this game. I can't do this no more.
You lose.
I can't do this no more. This game is bullshit! I fucking hate werewolf characters. Or wolf characters, period. I fucking hate them. Now I'm starting to get pissed off. Cause now it's like it's the first fight and I can't beat him. Alright, this is getting on my nerves. This is getting on my nerves. I can't. I'm trying to reset it. What the fuck?
See you next time and don't look at this.
Why?
I'm pregnant.
What? Oh my god. Oh my. Oh my god. How the fuck was I supposed to block all of that? Especially when he was already in rumble mode. Either way, if I did block, I would have suffered from guard damage anyway. Fucking limo. Right there. I made it there. That's bullshit. I fucking made it. Oh, what?
Time's up.
Ah! No! I had it in the bag! Fuck! I think the finish is... Yep, the finish is right here. Don't worry about doing any misties. Just do a simple string of tricks. Finally! Yes! Ha ha ha! Finally! 3 years in the making! I finally did it!
Not too shabby.
Ah! Wait a second. I only made it in 3rd place in trick, but I didn't make it in 3rd place in total. And the person in 1st is Monica. Like, why am I having so much trouble trying to make that one jump? It's funny. You literally made that jump several times before. Now you can't even make the jump. What is going... You know what? Fuck this. I can't do this no more. That's all I can take. It's like, at this point, the game is trolling me. The game is literally trolling me and getting jiggy with it. I'm done. And you just had to fall in the lava instead of actually fucking jumping. What did I say? There's only so much of you that I can handle, and that's not one of them! See, I'm telling you, it's those damn spikes. I'm telling you. You think I'm bullshitting, but I swear I'm not. It's the spikes. Dude, come on. How was I supposed to get out from that? Okay.
Buddy. You still there?
Oh my god, why did I mash? Gosh damn grilled chicken shit. I don't know what I just said. I jumped that shit. Get the fuck out of here. I jumped over that shit. Man, get the fuck out of here. Literally. Get the fuck out of here. I literally jumped over that, and yet somehow he still managed to get Psycho Crusher on me. And I understand that he's got a big hitbox and all, but god damn. I still jumped over that shit and I still got hit. Come on, Capcom. Get with the fucking times. Why don't you fucking die, you piece of shit? Gosh fucking damn. No matter how many times I try to hit him, he wouldn't fucking die. Right after kicking him out of his goddamn super, he's still alive. If I die, yeah. I'm so burnt out. I can't keep doing this. That's what you get, and that's why you got key charge. Yeah, shriek like you got a fucking pickle stuck up your ass. Like. That's literally what it sounds like. He's literally screaming like he got a large ass pickle stuck up his ass. Like no, Tail! What the fuck? You did at the end! Damn it, I released it early! No! God! Go, go. See, I hate it when I hit up on the fucking controller and he never goes up the fucking stairs. Come on, Simon. Go up the stairs when I press the button on the fucking controller. God damn it. I barely even touched the spikes, and yet I still took the punishment for that. Okay, whatever you say, Konami. Whatever you say. I literally... I'm not even gonna say anything. Ah! No. didn't even touch it. Come on, man. This fucking game just does whatever the fuck it wants. It literally does because, like... Oh my god. I literally one more fuck up and I will bounce this controller off the floor. I'm dead. I am dead. How am I not? If anyone literally does not like my cursing, I do not care. How am I not? How can I play a game like this and not curse at it? It's fucking stupid. Would you rather have me destroy a controller or hurt myself, or would you rather have me curse this game out? Pick one or the other. It cannot be both. Get the fuck out of here. Are you fucking shitting? Alright, I got no choice. I have to do it. He's pissing me off with the fucking dick jabs. This is why I... Like I said, it wouldn't be so bad if the weapons button was not the same I gotta use the special. They literally put the picking up weapons thing on the same button. Oh my fucking god. Get the there we go. See... Dude, I can't hit anybody! They're all just fucking jamming me at the same fucking time! It's fucking dumb! I'm tired of this shit! No! See, I got so angry I forgot about Abadidi. I fucking hate you! All that. Oh my god, it's always this. I am so... Dude, I just respawned! Oh my... Dude, I'm almost already dead, and we literally just respawned. Look! How are you supposed to dodge that? You see, at least with Mona and Lisa, as annoying as they are, at least I can dodge them. Same thing with Big Ben, and Big Ben is also hard to dodge too. So as much as I hate fighting both of those, at least they're dodgeable. Not this fucking guy. Really, dude? I'm literally about to throw my controller. Oh my god! Ugh! I lost the will to fight. I can't do this. I hit back attack. Why did you jump? Stop fucking touching me! Why does he do that? Why does he do that? There you have it. That's Streets of Rage. I can't believe I actually can say that I've finally beat the first game.